Hello and welcome to today's video where we are comparing MailChimp to HubSpot so you can decide what's best for your business. There will be links down in the descriptions to get started with these apps, so be sure to check those out if you want to get started with them. MailChimp versus HubSpot in 2024, which is the best fit for your business. Email marketing remains a cornerstone of effective digital marketing strategies, and choosing the right platform can significantly impact your campaign success. In 2024, two of the most prominent players in the email marketing and CRM space are MailChimp and HubSpot. Both of these platforms offer robust features, but cater to different business needs. This video will provide an in-depth comparison of MailChimp and HubSpot to help you decide which platform is best for your business. Overview: MailChimp, the email marketing specialist. MailChimp has long been recognized as a leading email marketing tool, known for its user-friendly interface and powerful automation capabilities. It offers a range of features designed to help businesses create, send, and analyze email campaigns. Some of these standout features include a drag and drop email builder. So MailChimp's classic drag and drop builder and the new AI-assisted builder makes it easy for users of all skill levels to create visually appealing emails. Automation: from basic autoresponders to advanced customer journey mapping, MailChimp offers robust automation features to help businesses send the right messages at the right time. Segmentation: MailChimp provides powerful segmentation tools that allow businesses to target specific groups of customers based on their behaviors or preferences. Integration: with over 300 integrations, MailChimp can connect with various platforms like Salesforce, Instagram, Shopify, and more. Now, moving on to HubSpot, the comprehensive CRM platform. HubSpot, on the other hand, is more than just an email marketing tool. It's a comprehensive CRM platform designed to manage all aspects of customer engagement, from marketing and sales to customer service and operations. Some of the key features include Marketing Hub, which helps businesses grow traffic, convert leads, and run complete inbound marketing campaigns. Sales Hub: this provides deeper insights into prospects and automates tasks to help close deals faster. Service Hub: this focuses on exceeding customer expectations and turning them into promoters. CMS Hub: this offers flexible content management system for creating personalized and secure customer experiences. Operations Hub: syncs apps, cleans and curates customer data, and automates processes to ensure seamless operations. Now let's talk about ease of use. When it comes to user-friendliness, both platforms excel, but cater to different needs. MailChimp: MailChimp is designed specifically for email marketing. MailChimp offers a straightforward interface that is easy to navigate, making it ideal for beginners and small businesses. HubSpot: while also user-friendly, HubSpot's interface can be a bit overwhelming due to its comprehensive suite of tools. However, its intuitive design helps users quickly get up to speed with its email editor and other features. User experience: MailChimp's user experience is tailored to those who need to get started quickly with email marketing. Its interface is clean and intuitive, with a clear path to creating and sending emails. The drag and drop builder is particularly praised for its simplicity, allowing users to design professional-looking emails without any coding knowledge. HubSpot, although powerful, requires a bit more time to master. This is due to the extensive range of features that it offers. However, once users get the hang of it, HubSpot's interface becomes a powerful tool for managing comprehensive marketing campaigns. The learning curve is mitigated by HubSpot's extensive support resources, including tutorials and a supportive community forum. Email design and flexibility: MailChimp offers 12 free templates on its free plan and over 100 modern templates on its paid plans. It also allows users to create custom campaigns using HTML and start from scratch, providing great flexibility in email design. HubSpot provides a similar number of templates on its free plan, but requires higher tier plans for more advanced design options, such as custom HTML uploads. Customization capabilities: MailChimp shines in providing a variety of templates that cater to different needs, from promotional emails to newsletters and product announcements. Users can customize these templates to fit their brand's aesthetic. The AI-assisted builder adds another layer of convenience by suggesting content improvements and design enhancements. HubSpot's email tools are slightly more advanced, but come with the caveat of being locked behind higher tier plans. This includes capabilities like A/B A/B testing for email designs and integrating dynamic content based on user behavior. For businesses looking to deeply personalize their email marketing efforts, these features can be highly beneficial. Automation capabilities. MailChimp. MailChimp offers basic automation on its free plan and more advanced features on its paid plans. Users can create triggered campaigns and email sequences, but the free plan has its limitations. HubSpot. HubSpot's more generous with its free plan, allowing users to send limited automated emails based on form submissions. It excels in creating highly personalized lead nurturing campaigns through advanced segmentation and lead scoring. Use cases for automation. MailChimp's automation features are ideal for small to medium-sized businesses looking to streamline their email marketing efforts. For example, an e-commerce store can set up abandoned cart emails, welcome sequences for new subscribers, and product recommendations based on past purchases. HubSpot takes automation to the next level. Its advanced workflows allow businesses to create intricate customer journeys. For instance, a B2B company can use HubSpot to nurture leads over a long sales cycle, integrating email marketing with sales follow-ups, content recommendations, and event triggers based on users' interactions with the company's website. Reporting and analytics. MailChimp, known for its comprehensive reporting features, including hourly performance, social stats, and performance by domain, the platform also offers content optimization advice and campaign benchmarking. HubSpot. HubSpot provides personalized report dashboards and insights into sales rep performance, offering a detailed overview of business performance. Both platforms excel in reporting, making this round a tie. Detailed insights. MailChimp's reports are designed to give users a quick snapshot of their campaign performance. This includes data on open rates, click-through rates, and engagement over time. Advanced reports allow businesses to benchmark their performance against industry standards and competitors. HubSpot's reporting capabilities are more integrated across different functions. For example, a marketing team can see how their email campaigns are contributing to overall lead generation and sales conversions. This holistic view can be crucial for businesses looking to understand the full impact of their marketing efforts. Deliverability. MailChimp consistently ranks high in deliverability tests, ensuring that emails reach their intended recipients. It also offers affordable private IP options. HubSpot often ranks a bit lower in deliverability tests, suggesting that it needs improvement in this area. Ensuring high deliverability. Deliverability is a critical factor for any email marketing platform. MailChimp's strong performance in this area means that businesses can trust their emails will land in the inboxes of their subscribers. This is supported by features like DKIM authentication, strict spam policies, and the ability to use dedicated IP addresses. HubSpot, while powerful, has room for improvement in deliverability. Businesses using HubSpot should implement best practices, such as maintaining clean email lists and using double opt-ins to maximize their deliverability rates. Integrations. MailChimp boasts over 300 integrations, making it easy to connect with various applications and platforms. HubSpot offers a wide range of integrations, but positions itself more as an all-in-one solution with its own suite of products. Extending functionality. MailChimp's extensive integrations allow it to fit seamlessly into most tech stacks. Whether you need to connect with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, CRM systems like Salesforce, or social media platforms like Instagram, MailChimp has you covered. This flexibility makes it a versatile tool for businesses of all sizes. HubSpot's integrations are also robust, but its strengths lies in its ability to offer an all-in-one solution. This means that businesses can manage their entire customer lifecycle within HubSpot, reducing the need for multiple tools. However, for businesses that already have established systems in place, integrating HubSpot can sometimes be a bit more complex. Pricing. MailChimp offers a flexible pricing model with a free plan suitable for small businesses and startups. Paid plans start at $13 per month, making it more affordable than HubSpot. While it has a free plan, its paid plans start at $20 per month and can get very expensive quickly, especially if you need the advanced features. Cost effectiveness. MailChimp's pricing is straightforward and scales with the number of contacts. This makes it accessible for businesses that are just starting out. The free plan is generous enough to allow users to get a good feel for the platform before committing to a paid plan. HubSpot's pricing, on the other hand, reflects its comprehensive feature set. While the initial cost may be high, the value comes from the integration of marketing, sales, and service tools all in one platform. This can reduce the need for additional software, potentially saving costs in the long run. Customer support. MailChimp provides 24/7 email and chat support on its paid plans with limited support on the free plan. HubSpot offers similar support options, but provides live chat even on the free plan, making it slightly better for free users. Support quality. Both platforms offer robust customer support, but there are nuances. MailChimp's support is often praised for its responsiveness and helpfulness. However, some users have reported issues with getting timely responses on the free plan. HubSpot's support is comprehensive, and it includes a wide range of resources from detailed documentation to live webinars. The availability of live chat support even on the free plan is a significant advantage, ensuring that users can get help when they need it. Final thoughts. While MailChimp offers a solid email marketing solution with its user-friendly interface, robust automation features, and affordable pricing, it is primarily focused on email marketing. This makes it an excellent choice for small to medium-sized businesses that need an efficient and straightforward tool to handle email campaigns. However, HubSpot stands out as the more comprehensive and powerful platform for businesses looking to integrate marketing, sales, service, and operations into one unified system. Despite its higher cost, HubSpot's extensive range of features provides immense value that can significantly help businesses grow and scale. Its advanced automation capabilities, detailed analytics, and seamless integration across various functions make it a superior choice for companies aiming to enhance their overall customer engagement. Ultimately, the choice between MailChimp and HubSpot depends on your business needs and budget. If your primary focus is on email marketing alone, then MailChimp is a strong contender. However, for businesses seeking a holistic solution that covers all aspects of customer engagement, HubSpot is the investment that offers long-term benefits and supports substantial growth. With HubSpot, you get more than just email marketing. You get a platform designed to optimize your entire customer relationship management process, making it an invaluable tool for businesses aiming to achieve significant, scalable success. Let's take a look at some example scenarios. Small e-commerce business. A small e-commerce business looking to increase its sales through email marketing would benefit from MailChimp's features. The ability to set up automated abandoned cart emails, segment customers based on purchase history, and use AI to optimize email content can drive significant revenue growth. Growing B2B company. A growing B2B company with a longer sales cycle would find HubSpot's comprehensive CRM and advanced automation features invaluable. The ability to nurture leads through personalized email sequences, track engagement across multiple touch points, and integrate with the sales team's workflows can improve conversion rates as well as shorten the sales cycle. Conclusion. Both MailChimp and HubSpot offer exceptional tools for email marketing and customer relationship management. Your choice should be guided by your business's specific needs and objectives. Whether you prioritize ease of use and affordability or comprehensive functionality and integration, understanding the strengths and limitations of each of these platforms will help you make an informed decision. By considering the detailed comparisons and example scenarios provided in this video, you can select the platform that best aligns with your goals and budget, ensuring that you maximize the return on your marketing investment. Don't forget to check out the link down in the description if you want to get started with HubSpot. Other than that, I hope you found this video valuable, and if you did enjoy it, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Here on this channel, we make a lot of how-to guides and tutorials dedicated to helping out new entrepreneurs start their own business. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.